Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix Pinterest pin save errors. So now let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection because poor connectivity can prevent pins from saving. Another step is clear cache. Simply go to your phone settings and search for apps and navigate to apps and there search for Pinterest. Tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on storage and tap on clear cache at the bottom left corner. Another thing you can do is update Pinterest app. Simply go to Play Store and search for Pinterest. And if you see any updates, simply update the app. But if the error persists on mobile, try saving pins on the Pinterest website via a browser. Last but not the least, simply close all of the background apps to free up resources. So this is how to fix Pinterest pin save errors. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.